I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did.
Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be giving you guys an update on all of the plants so far and how they're doing. Excuse me for not showing my face, I look a hot mess today. But anyways, this is my second time filming this video because the first time it was just incredibly too loud outside. You're also going to see my dog in here. He's out here chilling with me. Anyways, so first I'm going to start off with what's new to the garden and what we're adding to it. So we have a purple bell pepper here. We have a red bell pepper here, and then this one is going to be a green bell pepper. And they are in these little pots right now until I build the raised bed, which hopefully will be tomorrow. If so, I will record that, but I'm not sure when I will upload that. But anyways, that's that. Also, something new we have here is a watermelon, which I am super excited about. So this is my first time growing a watermelon, so we'll see how that goes. Here is our crookneck squash. This is going to be my second time trying to grow squash. My first time it didn't go too well, which I will show you guys in a minute what happened. Here we are growing some poblano hot peppers. I was gonna do a jalapeno, but we've done jalapenos before, so I wanted to try something different. Here is where we had our blonde bell or however you say it, bell peppers, which were these, if you guys can see that. We had these, and we did already pick a bunch of them, so I will try to upload some photos if I can. Over here we have our orange bell pepper. Look at him, y'all, he's just chilling. We have our orange bell pepper, which has a couple flowers, and we have one right here, if you guys can see that. Probably really hard to see. Over here is our banana pepper plant, which is doing amazing. You guys could probably see a few on there. This over here is a super exciting part. We have our cherry tomatoes on this one, and then our which one is this called? These are the, let's see, the Parker's Wop Improved Hybrid Tomato. That's what's on this one. As you guys can see, they're pretty big, and we definitely have a lot growing on there. And then we have our cherry tomatoes, which we have a lot of those here and there as well. This big behemoth right here is our cucumber plant, and we've already picked two cucumbers so far from this, and then we do have a few new ones growing, which we actually have two growing right here on top of each other, so we'll see how that goes. And there's also some more further hidden down in there. That's just the aloe. Doesn't really have anything to do with anything else, but I just thought I would show you guys that. And then going over this way, we have our potato plant, which is doing a lot better than I would expect, considering the fact that I actually took it out completely, took potatoes off of it, because if I'm honest with you guys, I wasn't sure if there was potatoes growing underneath, so I took it out way too early. And so I was like, well, you know what, I'm gonna plant it back in there, see what happens. So now I'm gonna let the plant just completely die, and once it dies, then I'm gonna check to see if there's anything underneath. Okay, so here's the squash plant, you guys. This is one of the three that I had. The other two are already thrown out. This is how they ended up. They kind of just shriveled up and dried out and died out. The other two that I saw, they had this type of like larvae, or I can't think of the word, but I'll put it on the screen if I can remember. it had it in there, and I noticed that that was what was killing the plant, but by the time that I noticed, the plant was already too far gone. So I lost 3 squash plants. There were 3 different squash. Very sad. Underneath it, we have our strawberry plant, which did not do as good as I would hope. We grew a few strawberries. Well, let me not say that. The plant grew really well, but we have squirrels and stuff like that, so they really just kind of almost in a way like killed my strawberry plant because they kept eating the strawberries and breaking the leaves and stuff like that. So that really sucked. But yeah, that is just a update on how everything is going. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.